Sounds good, it's fast.
Motor throttle active.
All right guys, we're getting ready to maiden this A6M0. This is a Seagull models that I picked up over at Gator-Rc. 86-inch wingspan. We're a little over 3.5 months into the build process, and maiden day is finally here. It runs good, it's pretty powerful, got a nice long runway, pretty clean sky to fly in today, so no flaps on takeoff, and we're gonna see how it goes. Going up.
Wrap. 4 high rates.
No trim, guys. No trim. 0. Ha ha ha.
0 trim on the 0.
All right, I think I'm gonna give it 1 click of right, 2 clicks of right, and the throttle finger is like shaking like bacon. Three clicks of down, because we're about half throttle right there.
That's awesome.
Flying smooth, engine's powerful. Half throttle is more than enough to mess with this all day long.
5 minutes.
We're gonna give this probably about 5 minutes of flight time. I followed Harry Curzin's method of setting up flaps in flight mode, so I wanna mess around with that, make sure that I have enough throttle to elevator settings and stuff, make sure that it's gonna land all right for me. Little show pass. It runs good. By God, is this thing nice. It tracks like an animal. So what do you guys say we give this a little bombs away action right over the deck?
6 minutes. Bomb released.
All right, so I'm definitely not blowing up any ships. Oh boy, what a nice flying plane. Up into a loop, back into a Cuban. Illiman. Power for days. No worries at all. Split S. There's full power. We'll have to get better with the bomb releases. Sounds good, it's fast. So we're gonna put the gear down. We're gonna start making some passes. I'm really happy with the way this thing is trimmed. Make sure that the gear is operating correctly. Looks like we got 2. And we're gonna start setting up here with some flaps. Once over the field with half flaps once I'm lined up. And see how she does and see what kind of trim I'm going to need. Start backing out of throttle a little bit.
Take off flaps.
So that's coming down to idle. All right, so I actually need some down trim. Perfect, love it.
Flaps up.
So we're gonna line up again over the field. And again, this is in flight modes. So when we go into
9 minutes.
hitting the half flaps, I can use trim now, and that trim will only stay
Take off flaps.
in that model. All right.
It's perfect in that.
So I think I just want to give that maybe.
Take off flaps.
There's that.
Flaps up.
All right, now let's hit full flaps. Coming over. Half.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
Full. So that balloon's a good bit. That's full flaps, guys.
Flaps up. 10 minutes.
So let's go ahead and bring this over to runway one more time, full flaps, and just see how she acts behavior-wise. And if all looks good, next pass will be a landing pass. Cut it down,
Take
quarter
off
throttle.
Flaps. Landing flaps.
Landing. And we got 25% expo dialed in on the elevator, 15 on ailerons. So we're half flap right now on base, which is nice. Make our turn. Quarter power.
Landing flaps.
Landing. As soon as we hit the field, we're going to start to chop down. Let it just glide in. A little bit of power. I don't know what to say, guys. There is no better feeling than the adrenaline. Oh my God, my heart is pounding. That's been 5 hard months. And you know, whether you weather it early or you weather it later, there's always a risk. But guys, the Seagull Model 0, oh my God, this thing is a beaut. I can't thank Gator-Rc enough for an opportunity here to build an amazing plane. So thank you guys, and we'll catch you in the wrap up. Let's kill this.
Promoter kill.
There you have it, guys. That is the maiden flight of the Seagull Models Giant Scale 86-inch Zero from Gator-Rc. We're running an EME60 AutoStart in this, KingMax 5325 servos all the way around, jetty for guidance, so many cool things in there. Don't forget to check out all the build videos that I did to this thing, so that way you kind of get a better idea as to what went on here, plus all the weathering videos as well. I can't tell you how well this plane tracked in the air. It was absolutely amazing. And again, it did not disappoint. The jitters were there, the nerves were there. I'm telling you, that's what makes a Maiden a Maiden. But with that being said, absolutely phenomenal build. Thanks again to Gator-Rc. It's Brendan here at Just Plain Crazy. If you liked it, smash the like button. If you didn't like it, make sure you hit that thumbs down button twice for me. Like, share, subscribe as always. Again, I'm just plain crazy. I know you guys are just plain crazy. I wish you guys happy flights. Peace out.